Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have brought you the recipe of coconut chutney. So let's get started. Here I have 2 coconut, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, a handful of mint leaves. Now here I have 2 chopped coconut and I have added them in the grinder. Now I am adding mint leaves. You can add green chilies too, and I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt also. Now we will grind them all. So here, as you can see, I have grinded them. Now we will add water and grind them again. And it's done. Our nariyal ki chutney is ready, or you can say coconut chutney. You can see how much soft, smooth and creamy it is. Now here I took a pan on medium flame with 2 teaspoons of refined oil. I am adding in it curry leaves, and some mustard seeds. If you have red chilies, you can add them in this too. And now we will put a lid over it. Our tadka is ready. Now we will spread our tadka over our chutney. And mix it well. Our chutney is ready to be served. Now here you can see I have served the coconut chutney. If you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.